Welcome back to Live Well Today, ladies. Last week, we talked about the cleaning crew in your gut, the MMC. I am Coach Malaika, and I'm so honored to be here with you. Today, we're going to talk about the work sabotage, the stoppage. Why is your cleaning crew refused to show up? See, there are three main reasons your MMC stop working. First, stress. Your gut and your brain are constantly talking via the vagus nerve. If you are stuck in fight or flight mode, just what, which is so common during menopause, your body shuts down digestion to focus on survival. Your cleaning crews cannot work if you are not in rest and digest mode. Second is that constant grazing, ladies. I mentioned this before, but it bears repeating. The MMC needs at least 90 to 120 minutes of complete fasting between meal to complete one single sweep. So if you eat every 2 hours, the sweep never happens. Third, underlying issue like the thyroid imbalance or infection like H. pylori, for example. This issue creates inflammation that acts like a roadblock for your cleaning crew. See, identify these triggers was the turning point in my own health coaching career and my personal wellness. See, when we identify why the crew is on strike, we can finally start the negotiation to bring them back. Are you crazy? Are you a crazy? Or do you feel like stress is your biggest red block? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll read every single one of them because your journey matters to me. See, in the video 3, we are going to talk about the mental side of this brain fog. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss a thing. Let's live well today, ladies. And again, I am Coach Malaika, and it's my honor to be here with you. I'll talk to you next video. Ciao for now.